My name is Jennifer Fleming. I currently have a practice in Manchester. I have never been to another facial anatomy or cadaver course before, but this has far exceeded all of my expectations. I think it's one thing that we learn things on paper and we can be taught where anatomical structures are, where vessels are, and we learn things in this really two-dimensional view. But when you're able to see it and feel it and dissect it and really understand where they are located, it gives a whole different appreciation, and it just cements what you thought maybe you knew, but now you really know it and you really understand it. The thought of utilizing ultrasound in this area, I've used ultrasound in critical care in different fields, but to now even think about putting it on the face so that we can recognize these areas, it's awesome. I will take away so many pearls from this course.